First of all, thank you for agreeing for the interview. Thank you having this opportunity. My first question is, what is your name and which part of Nepal are you coming from?
It's my pleasure to take interview with you. Myself, Kabindra Khadka. I prefer to say my name as nickname the Himalayan Soul because I'm from the higher altitude of Nepal, Dolaka district, and Mount Gaurisankar lies there.
Okay. Well, how long did it take for you to come to this training from your village?
By bus, it takes 2 days to come here. And I have to take a transit in Kathmandu as well.
That's a long way, yes. 2 days.
Yes.
And what do you teach?
I teach their science and technology subject up to secondary level. It's designed by the curriculum of government of the Nepal.
Mm-hmm. How is the internet connection in the area where you teach and live?
Our area is remote. Despite the internet connection is something good, Broadlink company has spreaded the technology there.
That's good news. And now the interesting question, how do you use digital tools in your teaching? And what kind of digital tools do you use?
I have using so many digital tools during my teaching sessions, like a smart board, online and virtual classes, something about the digital platform like pet.colorado simulations. It's my subject is science, so that is suitable to me, and Java Lab, spaceplace.net, and like so on.
So many tools.
And I have designed official website of my school, and I have added so many websites of different universities around the world, so students can easily access there. The link is of that university and what is going on there. They can easily see from the Mount Gaurisankar.
Wonderful. We have another person here next to you. Would you like to also tell who you are and what's the connection perhaps for this young gentleman?
Okay, I'm Indra Upadhyaya. I'm working as a Deputy Director of Open and Distance Education Center, as well as the Project Coordinator of 21st Century Skills in Nepal. So, I was amazed by the work he did. So I appreciate him. Just a guy from a remote Himalayan area, he's doing a lot in developing and just delivering skills through digital. He also had his own website where he kept different informations and also contents of the subject science, what he delivered, that so that the students can get access whatever materials contains, whatever he want to deliver. He is not been able to deliver in class. He can keep in his website. So a great guy. So with a very good patient, he's working in a remote area, and I think he's doing great and just changing his school as well as changing his colleagues and transferring the old system to the new digital pedagogy, I must say.
Wonderful. One more thing. What would you like to say other colleagues, other teachers who are a little bit perhaps afraid of using digital tools? What would you say to them?
Yes, ma'am. I want to say I'm working as a trainer of ICT as well. So today's century is 21st century, and digital technology is so much essential to us, like our fresh air, like our food. So everybody have to learn about digital technology. So I'm still trying. I have generated the different perspective of full form of ICT. I have designed that as I can try. So please try it.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.